All right, good morning, grade 5. Hope you're all doing well, hope you're all healthy and your families are healthy. Just a quick message to talk about today and this week and sort of figure out how it's going to work. I'm going to send an individual message out to both classes on Seesaw, so that'll detail what you're doing today, so I won't get into that too much today. So I wanted to talk about like the bigger picture here. Okay, thinking about the exhibition. We are now into week 3 of the finding out. So this is where most of your research should be getting done. The reason for that is there's other stuff which happens later on which takes a surprising amount of time. Things like interviewing experts, getting hold of experts to start with, interviewing experts, making sense of the survey data. So really this week we kind of need as much of the sort of research done as you can. I'm going, with regard to the surveys, I know I said Friday was the deadline, but Friday was a bit of a weird day. So I'm going to extend that today. If you haven't got your survey questions done and approved, then you've got until the end of today, and then I'll put the surveys out tomorrow. As I said, this is third week of finding out, so this is where we really should be diving deep into our research. We should be doing really detailed research. We should have like good quality examples of the kind of tech, or what your line of inquiry is. Once the surveys are out of the way, then really we need to be focusing on experts. Now I've said this to my class, I'll say it to 5A as well. With experts, you really need as many as possible. We are asking people for favours here. Most people are either going to be too busy, or they just won't have time, or they just don't want to, and that's fair. Then no one's obliged to help us. So really, you need to be getting as many experts as you can, as many Twitter handles, email addresses from your research. I will tweet at them, I will send them emails, that's fine. But I'm not going to do it if you don't give me the actual names of the people you want me to contact. We should be looking at 8, 10, 12, 15 experts, and hopefully 1 or 2 will write back. All right, okay. What else was I going to say? Yeah, okay. One thing we need to think about, with regards to the research, our line of inquiry is about tech creating problems and solving problems. As you do your research, make sure you're focusing on both sides. It's very easy with technology to get incredibly excited about it because it can do amazing things, but it's not going to solve, as I say. But make sure you're looking at this from both sides. Ask for help if you're not sure how to do that or what sources you need. I'll do what I can. The details of today are on the messages I'm going to send on Seesaw. They're on the home learning document. If I'm not in your class at one point, if I'm doing guided reading with the other class or something, please try and respect that. I will try and get around to everyone as much as I can, but I can only work with a certain number of children at a time. So anyway, well, let's see how it goes. All right, have a good day. Check in this morning on the how you doing document, on the questions documents. I'll do as much as I can. All right, good luck. Check in with me through the day. Take care now. Bye bye.